Coming up, I'm going to show you how you can use Reddit to drive users to your app and how we used it to drive over 1,200 new users to the app. Stay tuned. What is up, App Nation? It is Steve P. Young, founder of appmasters.com, the place you go when you want action-packed content related to helping you grow your downloads and your revenue. And in this video, I want to show you how you can utilize Reddit to drive free traffic to your website and, more importantly, for this particular channel, your app. So let's get to it. First thing you want to do is make sure you have an account. So definitely do that. And here's what I like to do. So rather than just joining Reddit and being like, hey, let me start posting about my app, here's what I suggest you do. Go to this subreddit called App Hookup. Now, if you've watched my other videos, you heard me talk about one of my favorite campaigns, one of my favorite growth hacks to drive tens of thousands of downloads for absolutely free. It is called Apps Gone Free, or an app advice campaign. It's where you can make something that is normally paid within your app and you make it for free. Typically, if we look at this, it's usually paid apps like this one going for free. But what we've been able to accomplish is you can use it for virtual currency like this app is doing, or you can do a 30-day free trial. They've changed some of the way it works on app advice. So if you have a subscription-based app, you can do a 30-day free trial of your app like this app is doing. So what I like to do is go on app advice, all right, find an app that's typically paid like this one, $7.99. It's a kid's app. Might not make sense for it, but maybe this app, Modern Magic Ball, interesting. I'll click around. Or I might scour app advice for some other things. It's only at 2 ratings, probably not a good one. But what you want to do is go back to App Hookup, right? And then post about other people's app. Because especially when you just joined, you want to post about a paid app, the normal way of doing this, going free, okay? And then self-promotion, people, they don't like it, right? So what you can also do is look at the top. You can look at what's trending the most today. Looks like Epic Store Among Us is trending. This one is trending. You can look at this week. So you can get a sense of what types of apps do well on Reddit, right? And then try to find something similar on App Advice right here. And you can scour back, so you can go back in later days to find an app that you think is going to make the most sense, right? Again, you want to get those karma points up right here. So within this particular subreddit, there's a format that you have to follow when you're creating your post. So I'm going to give you a sample one of something like this that I've posted as well. So let me find one that I've posted here. This one I found on App Advice, and I posted this. This is me. And if you click on here, you go all the way to this, right? All right, so let me show you real quick how to do it. So I just copied and pasted that, and you can copy paste anything. So what you want to do is post it as a link, okay? And then let's just grab, I'm going to paste that real quick. I'm going to paste this here. So you want to paste the app. So if you're on App Advice, maybe you find this. Let's try to find one app. The T app. Oh, cool. Awesome. We'll just post it. Why not? Right? You want to make sure this app hasn't been submitted. So I will do a little quick search just to make sure the T app hasn't been posted. T app. T. Yeah. So it doesn't look like it has been posted yet. Yeah, it looks like all Steam. Okay, so let's do this T app, okay? So I'm gonna submit this, get this. What you wanna do is remove the country code. I don't think it matters these days because Apple's getting smarter about it, but I'll just remove it just in case. Doesn't have that many great reviews, but whatever. I'm going to paste that real quick. So App Advice, learn all about T. It's $1.99. I want to make sure it is actually free and people aren't messing around with it. So it is currently still free. This was yesterday as of this recording. All right, I think it's good enough. But here's what it is. So iOS, you have to start off with that. The platform you support. So you can do Android as well. I'm going to change this to the T app because it's the app's name. Okay, next is usually the app's name. And then next is how much it normally is. So this was $1.99 and then free. Okay. Now, if you're doing in-app purchases, you can add this stuff like, hey, the whatever, remove ads IAP, right? It's free. Or what you can do also, and this is what I've done, is put something about the app, you know, like here, learn all about tea, right? Tea drinkers of all types, learn all about tea. So I might put like learn all about tea here, right? So you can put like a unique selling point about the app, or you can say what is free in that last one. But the first few, these first few three things, you want to put iOS, the platform, the name of the app, and then how much it is and what it's going for free, and then link to the app, okay? You want to add a flare too. So I'm going to put iOS Universal, and then I'm going to remove that, and then I'm going to post it. Cool. It's not my app, doesn't matter. So I'm going to put it up there, okay? Now, when it's time to promote your app, this is what you're going to post in here, an app hookup, okay? So look through this. If you want to search for IAP, do that. You'll find some sample ones that I might have posted or other people might have posted. So just look through these and then figure out what the right format should be. All right, so I'm going to give you a couple of more subreddits that you can use. And this is the one that we use. So you can see 162,000 members. This app hookup has, let's scroll back all the way, 147, so pretty good size. EFreebies, again, you have to make something free within the app. I'm gonna show you a couple of more platforms where you don't have to be free and you can just show off what you have, but this is a great one, okay? So every subreddit, you wanna make sure you read through some of the rules because they will remove it. Now, before, when I was doing app hookup, all my posts were getting removed because everything I put was in-app purchase because most of our clients are free apps, right? So that's why I suggest finding some paid apps that are going free through these different sites and posting about them, because then the mods will be like, okay, this guy's legit. He's not just trying to promote his stuff, right? So within eFreebies, you have way more flexibility. And the cool thing is you don't have to take the user to the App Store. So if you have a mechanism, like for example, I signed up for Calm through their website, not through the App Store for their lifetime offer. So if you have a mechanism to convert your users on the web, well, within eFreebies, unlike App Hookup, you can take people to your website. And that's exactly what we did for our client here. We posted, and it was, again, just a text link, but we said, hey, you know, you get 30 days of this for free, just use this link. And we got over 1,200 users for free, absolutely, through this particular platform. Now, another subreddit is called Freebies. I actually posted the same offer a month later on this one. They don't want electronic freebies. They actually want real physical freebies, but they have a lot more users on this. So I wanted to see if I can get away with it. And I read through the rules, and you can put high quality electronical freebies in here, okay? So you can do that. And what I always recommend is look at the top ones, make sure you understand what people really like on this subreddit and what people are looking for, and then start posting about that. Maybe if you find other ones, try to post about that too. So if you don't have anything that you want to give away for free, what I would recommend you do is look at other subreddits where you can promote your apps. So for example, maybe you have an Android app and there's iOS programming. So you can just show iOS programming or Apple, right? So you can just see what other subreddits are there. And then next thing you do is look, hey, read through the rules and look at this, what we found. Self-promoting. Self-promoting app yourself, promotion must be tagged with dev. So like, hey, you can't self-promote. So it's a great way to be like, hey guys, I made this app, check it out. And then you can sort of try to get more downloads that way. Another thing is figure out who your target market is. You know, I have another video that I'll link it up, and we talked to somebody on our podcast where he used Reddit to engage with that community, build his app, promote his app, get his first 100 users, and get his first revenues through Reddit. So he actually really engaged with that community to really build up the idea and then drive his early users through Reddit. So it's a great way to interact. So you can look for different communities. So if you have a piano app, right? So I'll look for piano. Cool, piano learning. Great. Let me look into this subreddit, see if I can communicate, comment, kind of like really do some research there, and then promote my app. So it's another great platform for you to utilize if you don't have a lot of money for marketing. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Really helps out. And then if you haven't hit subscribe, make sure you do so. We come out with weekly content to help you grow your traffic, downloads, and more importantly, your revenue. And don't forget, we go live every Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific, California time, to take a look at your apps and answer any questions that you might have about anything in the app space. All right, until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.